name's Adam. I work for Rainier Warranty in Isola Homes, and I wanted to give you a quick orientation of the laundry area. This particular unit has a stackable washer and dryer front loaders on these. Great washer and dryer. On these front loaders, they're very tight seals. So if you're ever leaving the home for a long period of time, leaving the door ajar to get air transfer is a very good thing. No mildew or anything else will build up. Please reflect to the manufacturer's manuals on maintenance of these units. The warranty trick that I have for you: by filling out your warranty cards, make sure and put your closing date on your warranty cards. A lot of the times the manufacturer will honor that warranty from your closing date, not from when the builder bought the units. Also in this room, which is very important because of our green built houses, is our whole house fan. The whole house fan extinguishes air that is in the house and moisture from the washer and dryer when it accumulates. So it's very important that that air is evacuated from the home. It is set right here in the corner by a whole house fan. That whole house fan is recommended to run for 1 hour for every 4 hours of the day. You'll notice at the bottom of that is a switch that has 3 controllers from your on to auto to off. So it does have options to turn off the fan if you do not wish to run it. That is a general orientation of an Isola Homes washer and dryer closet.